Hey, Chad the Nature Dad here, and I'm out in the forests, and during this fall afternoon... Oh, hey, who's this out here? It's Kendall. Hey, Kendall.
Hi.
Hey, do you want to build some mandalas with me?
Sure.
Rock and roll. So we're going to make some mandalas, and some of you might be thinking, well, what is a mandala?
I will explain that because I just did it in art class. Except I didn't do it out here. I just did it pencil and paper. But anyways, so a mandala is a circle with a repeating pattern. So you start from the middle and you go out.
Awesome.
So, I should have brought what I made to show you. I messed up on that.
Oh, well. Well, let's get to it then. First things first, you need to clear yourself a little spot out in the woods, or if you're going to do this project at home, you can collect leaves from around the house. You can even do it on a piece of old cardboard. Hey, well, I got a quick minute in building our mandalas. A pro tip from Kendall.
Gonna be in the woods for a long time like we are. I would suggest if you're a kid, bring hot chocolate, or if you're a grown-up, bring coffee.
Can I bring tea?
Yes, you can bring tea. Just something warm and delicious that you like.
All right, next thing we did after we cleared a spot, I went around and gathered some different leaves and sticks, and I found some other grasses. There's some rocks there in the middle. So one of the things you need to do is just go gather some materials. Don't pick anything alive, and make sure you know what things are before you grab them. All right, here is my finished project. A couple things I learned is make sure that when you're moving your sticks around, you're not brushing more leaves in. Also, if you are doing leaves, it's good to be in a sheltered area, especially on a day like today where it's windy. Your leaves will get blown around pretty quickly. So this is mine. All right, friends, here's Kendall's. Got to get this recorded real quickly before the wind here is picking up. It's supposed to this afternoon. Anyways, here's Kendall's. Look at all those beautiful colors. You got the yellows, you got the reds, you got the oranges all around. What a beautiful mandala. So there's mine, and there's Kendall's. If you could do us a little favor and let us know which one you like best. We have a little bit of a friendly competition going on. Winner has to buy the other one donuts. Hey friends, join us for the next episode of Chad the Nature Dad. Who knows what we're going to find? You could glue that cardboard down and make your... mandala. And I'll have a little bit of a friendly conversation.
No, Dad.
I said go.
No, you say now a pro tip from Kendall.
Oh,
and
okay. All right. Hey.
Also bring you don't fight.
Okay.
You could also bring hot chocolate even if you're a grown-up. Cause yeah, I don't care what you do. Just bring something warm and delicious.
Hey friends, don't forget to slam that like button. Right, Pencil?